This noon hour, we remember the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. This is video from Air 12 this morning as we flew around the mountain. You can see the snow covering the crater that was left by the eruption. The eruption happened 40 years ago today. For some, it's an historic moment. For others, it was a geologic wonder. And for one man that Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch spoke with today, it was a lot of gritty work.
The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens destroyed 68,000 acres of Weyerhaeuser forests. At 8:32 the morning of May 18, 1980, Dick Peters watched the iconic 80,000-foot plume shooting into the air. Dick was the operation mill manager at the Weyerhaeuser sawmill in Longview. He had his work cut out for him.
Well, it was a mess.
Lava flows and glaciers on the volcano melting formed volcanic mudslides that reached as far as the Columbia River. Geologists and state officials would figure out how to handle the catastrophic event. Dick would figure out how to get Weyerhaeuser's timber to its mills in Longview. The Green Mountain Mill in Toutle was destroyed.
The logs were all floating down the river because it went right through a couple of our log yards on the Toutle. And then, of course, we had to worry about containing all the logs that belonged to us in the river.
And then Dick had to get all that timber to Weyerhaeuser Mills, the rail system that had been in place now destroyed. Fortunately, Dick Peters was a problem solver. Tugboats on the Columbia were used to recover some logs. Trucks were used too after washed-out roads were rebuilt. And if that wasn't tough enough, once the logs got to the mills, chainsaws and saw blades had to be changed out once every hour.
With all the debris and silt, it was awfully hard on the equipment. The grit just had raised havoc with all our machinery in the mills, and of course also in the woods, the people that were logging this stuff.
It would take mill workers 3 years to manufacture all that Douglas fir and hemlock into usable lumber.
It was actually frightening at the time it went off. And after that, we were so busy we didn't have time to be very frightened.
When Dick Peters thinks about the eruption, he thinks of it as a real pain.
I just signed on here to work days, and it happened to be a day and night job.
Still, Dick says he's proud of what he and those working with him accomplished.
We made the best out of a bad situation.
We want to thank Dick for those memories. And if you are interested in another perspective on Mount St. Helens, OMSI is offering a virtual edition of its Science Pub this evening. For information on that, go to kptv.com. In studio, Marilyn Deutsch, Fox 12 Oregon.